Hello, Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai from Monday, March 29th. The Department of Health is reporting one new active case today, a female child resident. Her infection is related to mainland travel and was identified via the Enhanced Movement Quarantine or Resort Bubble post-travel testing program. We currently have two active cases in isolation, no one hospitalized. We have 8 individuals in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is 224, including 190 confirmed locally, 2 probable, and 32 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. To date, we have administered more than 40,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines on Kauai. There are 3 kinds of vaccines now available on our island: the Pfizer vaccine and the Moderna vaccines, which require 2 injections, and the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which is a single-dose vaccine. The current priority group in 1C are anyone 60 and older, anyone 16 and over who is at high risk, and all essential workers 16 and over. The top priority in this group is anyone working in the travel industry, restaurants, or bars. However, we have been advised that there are many appointments still available this week at our convention hall and all local hospitals. So if you are an adult resident on Kauai and would like to receive a vaccine, we encourage you to complete the online survey at kauai.gov/vaccine. A Department of Health representative will contact you as soon as you are eligible. You may also register to receive a vaccine from any of our local hospitals, including Mahilona, Wilcox, and KVMH. Long's Pharmacy in Kapa'a, Eleele, and Koloa is also offering vaccines, and Safeway Pharmacy is now taking appointments. Lastly, Ho'alalahui clinics offer vaccines for their established patients. In short, most adult residents on Kauai are now eligible for a vaccine. If you would like a vaccine but are unsure of your eligibility, we encourage you to complete a survey at kauai.gov/vaccine. Kauai will rejoin the state's Safe Travels program for incoming trans-Pacific travelers effective April 5th. Those flying to Kauai from out of state can avoid the 10-day travel quarantine if they participate in the state's Safe Travels program, which includes taking a pre-travel test from a state-trusted testing partner within 72 hours of departing to Kauai. Results must be uploaded to your online Safe Travels profile prior to landing. Be sure to keep a paper copy of your test on hand in case you have trouble uploading your results. As a reminder, inter-island travelers can already take a pre-travel test to avoid the 10-day quarantine. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, including a full list of trusted testing partners, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. We also recommend you download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone from the App Store on Apple or Google Play for Androids. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification application. The app alerts you when you may have been in close contact with someone who put you at risk for exposure. This app does not track your location. We continue to encourage travelers and those who have been around travelers to take a free COVID-19 test. Free tests are available without appointment at our Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday, except holidays. Additionally, we thank our hotel partners who have committed to encouraging their guests to take post-travel tests. The Kauai Chamber of Commerce, the Kauai Visitors Bureau, and the Kauai chapter of the Hawaii Lodging and Tourism Association have developed the Kukua Kauai card, which provides discounts at participating businesses. The card will be presented to each visitor upon completion of a voluntary second COVID test 3 days post-arrival. The program starts April 5th when Kauai re-enters the Safe Travels program. The Kukua Kauai card will feature a QR code that links to a web page featuring the various discounts and incentives offered. For businesses, there's no cost to participate other than the discount or promotional offer you provide to the customer. We hope to have a wide range of offers available through the program in order to entice visitors to take the voluntary second test. Please consider signing up for the Kokua Kauai Card program today. You can sign your business into the program at the Chamber's website at www.kauaichamber.org/Kokua Card. Applications will be processed in the order they are received. Be prepared to spell out the offer and make sure you can quantify its dollar value. The Chamber reserves the right to refuse submitted offers that are deemed not appropriate for the program. When the pandemic started, we opened our county parks for camping by our houseless community. At the same time, we closed recreational camping to limit COVID-19 infections. At this point in our recovery, we have maintained consistently low case counts, and our vaccine distribution program is among the best in the nation. We have administered more than 40,000 vaccines, and our businesses and activities have been operating for many months at our least restrictive tier. These factors have led us to begin reinstating recreational camping so that all members of our community can once again use our beach parks. We are phasing out the shelter-in-place camping permit program over the coming months. The program ends Wednesday, March 31st, for Anini and Anahola Beach Parks. Those parks will reopen for public recreational camping on April 30th after site cleanup, maintenance, and facility repairs. As the county completes the transition out of its shelter-in-place program, officials will continue homeless outreach events across the island to help connect individuals with available assistance and on-island resources. For more information about county camping permits and the Department of Parks and Recreation, please call 241-4460. For more information about the Housing Agency's Homeless Outreach Program, please call 241-4427. On a related subject, the County Housing Office will provide fair housing training seminars during the month of April to help landlords and tenants learn about the most current federal and state fair housing laws. If you are interested, visit kauai.gov/housing. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, and please avoid large gatherings. Together, we can help to keep Kauai safe.